Hello, I'm back. Already. It's only been like 15 seconds. And Pixie has already started without me. As intended. So last time, Pixie got up to the first floating platform and managed to jump straight up. Oh, wow. You almost saw it there. And for me, I got to floor 7 out of 10 and then died. So I've made technically no progress. But I hope that will change this time. I think the strat is... don't get hit. No! I used all my dashes. What a terrible start. I guess it's not terrible. But it's just not good. Although I remembered to take off my shield this time. So I don't just blow it up for no reason. And I would like to not go melee. Because I think melee is a trap in this mode. I think Dex is the best way forward. The dashes, I think the health increase doesn't do all that much, I think. Because you start at death's door anyway. And bosses do like 2 full hearts or something? Some insane amount of damage. So dashes are critical. And then the range is actually critical as well. And then I also want traits faster. Because I think that's like the secret to damage if you don't have a good weapon. Is just getting the traits that are like, oh, by the way, you just do 30% more damage now. Give me the event. Events are really good. Yeah, let's get a coat, a sweater. That's terrible. What? I'm so sad. Maybe I overrate the coats, the sweater, the hoodies? What are you? You're a hoodie. Yeah, give me poison. I'm gonna die anyway on one hit, so. Cause oh, weapon! A weapon! The hoodies I've actually used or gotten from when we've started this Deprive 16 nonsense have been, I don't know if I've actually used any of them to like their intended effect. Which is unfortunate. Because they usually have pretty interesting effects. Alright, first boss, not bad. Only the 1 damage taken in that first room. And we got, ooh, a very cool looking bow. Fires arrows with wings. I ain't never seen this before. And I'm still poisoned for a whole room. Oh, poison. Oh, that's actually more effective than I thought. I thought it was just damage, but it's actually movement speed and stamina recovery. Oh, these are homing. Let's go. That's sick. Not having to aim is always nice because I can just look directly at my character. Instead of having to like look at the mouse as well as the character. These are all kind of stinky. Yeah, I guess we just take the best one to sell later. Oh, I think they'll all sell for... No, you're a +1. And you're a +1. Oh my god, we have so much in common. Yeah, I don't think these are going to be as good. I have no money, so... No money, no traits. I got nothing. Okay, we got... they're forcing me into strength, which I don't like. But I guess there are melee weapons that have good range. You just have to find them. Okay, I didn't want the strength anyway. I didn't want it anyway. It's not that I wanted more health or anything, or more damage, or a trait, or more damage. I'm excited for the next update for this game. There was a blog post recently about it. And supposedly it's like the earliest it could happen would be May, late May. But it'll probably honestly be later than that if if I know anything about development. Give me more poison. I can deal with poison. It's temporary. You know, I'm just gonna use this resin. I don't want to die with buffs in my inventory. I think that's something I did poorly last time, because I'm pretty sure I had a damage potion and I just didn't use it. Which, who knows, maybe that could have made the difference. But yeah, there was a blog post. They were claiming a lot, which was a little concerning. Because I know like ambitions are difficult to live up to, especially when you have ambitions about your own projects. Like I've like daydreamt about projects I have in mind about projects I've started as well. I just walked into the slowest bullet that's ever graced the pixels of this game, and I just walked straight into it. It's really easy to come up with like good ideas for a game, but every idea. Did I do the crystal? No, we are okay. I'm not even close yet. We're just entering floor 3. It's so easy to come up with fun ideas and like changes you want to make, but they're all they all require work, and the more change you want to make, the more work it is, right? I mean, it's pretty easy to make that connection, but it can get really discouraging really quickly, especially because like now the changes that you do make are more minor. Like imagine you have this grand idea for a game. Maybe you want like, I want my game to have 10 worlds. Wow, these are both terrible. I can't take either of these. I guess you just take this one maybe. Like I'm gonna have this amazing game and it's gonna have 10 chapters. It's gonna be a puzzle game about I don't know, creating weather patterns such that like kingdoms in your country get adequate rainfall. I don't know. And it's gonna have weather, and it's gonna have day and night cycles, and it's gonna have, and you can play multiple characters. You can like swap them out. And then, man, I would love to have keys. That'd be cool. And then it's gonna be multiplayer too. That's I didn't even mention. And then when you beat the game, there's a new game plus, but it's not just things. Oh, it's not more HP and more heart, and they do more damage. They're gonna have just completely new AI. Just a lot. And the more, I don't have any curves. Oh, because I keep taking poison. Right. And the thing about it is it sounds like a lot of fun, and it probably would be. Like if you really did manage to make all of those things happen, you'd probably be happy with how it turns out. It would probably be fun. The classic. Damage or health. Ooh, give me health. Let's be a safe boy. But the issue is every feature becomes so small of a portion of what you've planned for. And so every time you do something towards your grand plan, it's gonna feel less rewarding. It's gonna be like, oh, I did saving and loading today. I should have gone in the other door. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Now you can save and load your character file. Oh, I actually inevitable damage. Don't tell anyone that I put myself in that position. Like, oh, I did saving and loading today. Now you can like save your progress, which, you know, as a video game, that sounds necessary. But in the grand scheme of things, that's like, oh, I still have to make a level editor and the networking, and I still have to balance everything. And then I don't even know how I'm going to structure enemy AI yet. And I'm going to have to do it in a way that lets me specify like new game plus. And it just starts to get to be too much. And I've found that in a lot of my projects, I need to decrease the scope. Like the scope for Pixie here in the corner is already pretty big, to be honest. Oh, no reward. That was a curse. What am I at? It would be better to have a melee weapon. Yeah. Like the original idea for Pixie was supposed to be like a stream assistant kind of thing. Where, actually, I think I have talked about it, but I'll talk about it again. A stream assistant where it's like, oh, you use a voice to text program, which I wouldn't have to make. Like I found some online that were decent. And it would send commands to this helper that could do things on your stream. Like you could go like, oh, hey Pixie, like blur the screen, or hey Pixie, like play this game for me, which is what you're seeing right now in the corner. Like that's the type of functionality I was imagining for that. Like, oh, hey Pixie, play this game for me, and then it pops up and it starts playing and learning the game. Like, I thought that was so cool. And it was just a small part of this, like, stream assistant, where you'd be like, oh, hey Pixie, tell me a joke. Or, hey Pixie, I can't decide on this thing. Like, could you decide for me? And each of those functionalities are not too hard to do. Like, I can maybe equip this. Save space. Not a lot of damage coming out from me. All of those functionalities, like, individually, are not very hard. Like, if you go, like, oh, hey, Pixie, like, blur the screen for me. You just need to have it interact with OBS and, you know, put an overlay on the screen or do a scene transition, which I'm sure OBS has a API to do. And then if you're like, oh, hey, Pixie, like, take a poll of chat and, like, oh, yes or no. But the problem with that is, like, oh, now you need to look at how to read chat through, like, YouTube or Twitch's API. And then that's just another thing you have to learn and implement. And then it's like, oh, hey, Pixie, like, play this game for me. Okay, well, this one's a little harder, because now all of a sudden you need to either hook up your own, like, data scraper to a real game if you want to play that, do that style, or like make your own games like I did, because I thought that would be easier, and it was, to be fair. But that's a whole thing, right? Each of these things you implement has just so much to do behind it that often goes like unthought about, at least during the planning stage, or the idea gathering, I should say. It's essentially the devil is in the details is probably the most accurate, one of the most accurate sayings I've ever heard, because it's just so true. Have I been killed? If I die, will I die for real? Is this the foundation of modern religion and traditional religion? I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited to see what Tiny Rogues does, because they had a lot of plans. But so far, honestly, the game's great. And they made a lot of good changes, so it's hard to complain. Man, I wish I was a mage. That's a shame. I think one of the change I'm most excited for is they're saying that they're finally going to put one of the bosses behind the epilogue doors. You know, at the very end of the game, I know you haven't seen it very often recently, because I certainly haven't gotten there. But at the very end, once you kill death, there's 2 doors that have been there maybe since the game's launched, at least since I've started playing it. But they're just decoration for now. But supposedly, there's gonna be a way to open at least one of them in the next major update. Man, these rooms are starting to slow down. This winged bow looks pretty cool, but gotta say it's not killing things very fast. I'm at almost full health though, which is a rarity. Lot to think about. I almost used a bomb because I'm getting impatient. That's a great emotion to feel when you're playing a game where when you get hit you die. Let's see, what else did I have planned for Pixie? I wanted to make it like a... Okay, this is something I'm not even sure about. So one of the ideas was, once I had the AI part working, like essentially what you see now, this bottom corner, once I had this working, I was like, oh, I could do different games for it, which I've mentioned, but I could also have like a leaderboard where people will have their pixies train, and then you could submit like your genome, and then we could rank like how good the genomes ended up being. I wonder if this will work. I'm tempted to repair this thing. I don't know if I care that much. Honestly, I just don't want the combat. That's like what it comes down to. I don't want to fight anything, because it's just gonna take so long. But I thought it'd be so cool to be able to like peruse through genomes that other people have just stumbled upon, and like just see what happens. Dude, give me a melee weapon. I have so much strength. Okay, you know what? We'll take the helmet. Maybe we'll get the pigeon helmet. The one that just shoots a high damage pigeon when you dash. Honestly, that'd probably do more damage by itself than what I'm currently doing with my weapon. Dude, this is like depresso espresso, man. Like, truly an awfully hot coffee pot, if I had to describe it. It's so little damage. I'm just walking in a circle. Like this is, I just stood still and took that hammer to the face. This run is doomed. Was this the weapon room? Or did I took the helmet room, right? Because I talked about the pigeon helmet. Dude, this is so doomed. I have so much time to think, and all of my thoughts are of regret. I can't believe it. How have I lived this long, doing this little damage? I've been so zoned out. Okay, yeah, that's extraordinarily deserved. Let's see, what else did I want to work on with Pixie? I'm already on the topic. We'll boot up another one. Maybe I should use a different gift. Storm in a bottle. If this just kills a boss straight up, that would probably be better than the health ring, right? I don't know if it matters. Dex? Can I get a Dex run? Okay, I'm willing to take the intelligence. I'll do it. Don't tempt me. Anything but melee. Melee is a cursed topic for me right now. Oh, okay, yeah, something else I wanted to do. So right now the input to the neural net is, or neural nets, is essentially a series of grids. Okay, I forgot to take off the shield, that's my bad. And now it's broken forever. Is a series of grids, so like, I can't show it. Hold on, I'm pausing. So you can see my mouse, right? So like, Pixie will look at right below it. Actually, okay, to be semantically technically correct, the game itself will send a full grid of information to the AI to be like, hey, this is what the world looks like around you right now. And those are just in ones, like 1 if there's a block here, 0 if there's nothing. And so one of the things I thought would be cool would be if the user could be like, hey, you should pay extra attention to the blocks under you, like in this area. Like those are pretty important. Because if we're all being honest, the block like down in this corner, no one's looking at it. No one's using that block for anything. Nobody cares about it. If it's empty or there's a block there, like it doesn't matter. You're still jumping up and right anyway. So if the user, it's not really a player. It's like the supervisor maybe is a good name. If the supervisor is like, hey, hint, hint, if you focus on like up here and like up here, these 2 blocks are the keys to the kingdom. You should look at those. I don't have any bombs. Like I thought that would be so interesting. Like some means of interacting with the computer as it learns would be, I don't know, okay. I don't think it would be engaging. I think it would be interesting for about like 5 minutes for normal people. But maybe like some people would find it interesting for longer. And also the ability to do like custom inputs. Because right now it's a grid of what the world looks like. A short timer on how long the jump button has been held. And then like a closer look at the blocks right underneath Pixie. So like kind of a zoomed in view. Now it gives me the melee. Oh, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. But if the person was like, you know what, instead, I'm going to give the neural net exactly 3 inputs. The block immediately below it, and the block like diagonal up left and diagonal up right, and we'll see what happens. Like the ability to customize what the machine looks at runtime, or I guess post-build time is more appropriate terms, would be pretty interesting. Because if I wanted to do that as the developer, like I could just pull up the code and be like, okay, we'll do something that's, oh, I'm angry, giving me magic damage bonus, no weapons, no pigeon shooting top hats, and a warrior chest. Oh, this game knows how to be mean. If I wanted to change what the inputs look like, it'd take, a couple minutes, but I could do it. But that's because I have the code open in front of me, right? The supervisor will just have the built version. So they'd have to like, well, right now they couldn't do that, but it'd be cool. Yeah, let's do a blood chest. It'd be cool if they could like, almost like a level editor, but overlaid on the game view, where it's like, oh, choose what tiles you want to care about. Whoa! That was worth it, maybe. Okay, what are we doing? Dex? Desert Eagle. Sure, it's an A. 266, 304. That seems like a lot of damage. great range. Great. Okay, a little difficult to hit things. But maybe that's just me. Oh, it does more damage after a dash. I'm not gonna do that. A dash, I think, is defensive only. Dude, you're killing me. You're killing me with these bomb walls. Yeah, that would be sick. What else? I think I briefly mentioned I should have saved the key. Then I could have taken the ranger stash. I still haven't figured out what games I would play. Or make. Clone? Oh, Mage Blood could be great. But I see so few potions. And I don't live long enough. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Give me a crit chance. That was a hard decision. I just need damage and I need it now. I don't think I can afford to do the whole waiting thing. Maybe Frogger. That might be a good one. That's a pretty... Ooh! That's a pretty grid game. And that would be not terrible to clone. Wouldn't be great because there's some moving parts. Well, I mean, the whole point of the game is to have moving parts, so I don't know what's different or what's better, the sniper rifle or I don't know if it matters. I thought about Snake as well, but it also has to be somewhat interesting to look at, right? I don't know if Snake fits that. Tron was another one. Trying to remember while playing this game is like a very specific type of difficulty. Difficult thing to do. Let's see. Things with small or fast moving parts are not always a great pick. Like Galaga, or what's the name of it? Is it called Galaga? Space Invaders? A lot of little things on that one. Dude, they want me to go magic so bad and I don't want to go magic. Bomberman is pretty good. That one would require some work though. Because right now, the neural net just needs to know if something, or the inputs are very simple, right? It's, is there something here or is there not something here? But a lot of these games I've mentioned are a little more complicated, right? It's no longer, is there something here or is there not something here? It's, is there a collision thing here or is there an enemy here or is there a bomb here? I'm just gonna sell the sniper rifle. What? Did the modifier screw it up that badly? Wow, I barely got anything for that. I'm surprised. Maybe the sniper rifle isn't that good. Do I overrate it? Probably, honestly. I don't want to take damage. I will not go through a thorny door. You can't make me. Unless you put like broccoli back there. In which case I will gladly go through the thorny door. Are there, I wonder if there's any modern games that would do well in this type of... I guess there are, right? Because Flappy Bird is a pretty simple one. I think I've seen a video like that. Dude, you're killing me. Whoa. Flappy Bird. That's pretty good. Because, you know, like Jump King, it's concerned with just a character controller and a unique environment. Or like a unique character controller and a unique environment. No, it's a particular combination of character controller and environment that makes it interesting, right? Like if you were Mario in the Jump King world, you'd have a blast. Like it'd be a great time. But if you were Jump King in the Mario world, it would be a nightmare. So it's like the combo that matters. And Flappy Bird is like, oh, your bird. More decks, great. I can't read this. Okay, that's useless. More decks, fantastic. Lots of traits this run. If only I got a weapon. Oh, Defy Death is so good. We can be a little riskier. I don't know what that means though. That actually doesn't mean anything. I don't know what I would do that would be riskier. I guess I can go through those thorny doors now. Right, I don't get anything. I already have an accessory. Oh, dude, give me a weapon. Yeah, we can... No, I don't want to take that. Give me all stats. Let's be boring. Okay, I have a bomb. That's fine. Okay. The missiles scared me. Flappy Bird's good. It's also familiar, right? Because one of the things with this idea was like, oh, make games that people would understand, I guess. I don't know. I haven't actually thought about it. Oh. I don't know. I don't know if it matters if it's popular or not. I guess the only relevancy that popularity has is if I will know what it is. Because I'm already departing so far from the art of Jump King that if you knew what Jump King was, you'd recognize the way the character moves, for sure. But if you didn't know, then it just looks like just a weird looking game. I don't know. I can't think of any other games. It's been like lurking in the back of my mind too, which is, I think I've defied death twice now. It's always nice to have a problem just like lurking in the back of your brain, and then sometimes if you leave it there long enough, the next time you actively think about it, you just have the solution. You know, like the same way sometimes you'll just wake up and have solved a problem. Like that's always such a nice feeling. Unfortunately, it doesn't apply to this game. Pixie's jumping. Really going at that platform. I'm just gonna watch it for a second while I stretch a bit. Most of the species are getting to that second platform. Most. Yeah, they haven't quite figured out that... Oh my god, they have figured it out. I don't know if that was higher scoring than just giving it your all on that first platform. Because I don't think that particular species that made it to that second platform jumped after getting there. I'm actually... Oh, I'm getting a little concerned. We gotta keep going. Keep trucking. If I waste too much time, Pixie's gonna beat me. Which, I don't know. I would be split between, like, excited and just, like, ashamed of my terrible gaming acumen. This is literally losing to, like, a toddler. Less than a toddler. So far less than a toddler, actually. Any good blessing, bad curse? Yeah, I'll take that. Why not? And then you will give me something. Nope, you won't, actually. Okay. I didn't want anything anyway. I will take a heal. I will take not two. Just the one. And then we're running Dex, yeah. Alright. Good armor. That would be cool. That would make me happy. It would give me a brief moment of happiness. Please? Bow or crossbow damage? Okay. I'm sure I will love that the next time I use a bow or crossbow. Surely. Thank you so much, game. I love it. It's a great gift. This is not fantastic. I'm a terrible gift giver and receiver, I think. I never know what I want. So there's, like, people don't know. Oh, I don't know if I needed that. Like, I think my parents have just given up on asking me about Christmas, because I don't know, man. And then, like, I don't know. I always feel bad receiving presents. Wow, great lineup. I could take damage or I could take damage. Like, I feel like, oh, whenever I receive a present, it's like an obligation that I should also give them a present. What are you, blood chest? I'll open you, I'm desperate. I hate it. I wish, more magic damage. I hate it. This game, it wanted me to go magic. It was like begging. Like, oh, please, just take a magic weapon. I'll give you every item you could ever want. I'm kind of slow, I think. We gotta take the damage debuff. Yeah, I never know what to get people either. I don't know. I don't know if that's a universal thing or if maybe I'm just not particularly attentive to. I don't know. Hard to tell. Yeah, bombs are doing less. Our guns doing less. Inflation's going up. I got no bombs. I got no armor. This vampire just wants to kill me. It's a bad look for the deprived today. Oh no. I got cursed. I don't know what it was. It looked important though. Oh, it was. I'm really tempted to read it, but I know if I do, I'll just die. Oh, okay. I was about to say I'm dead, but I defied it. This is. I think I should have taken the movement speed debuff. Okay. Still alive, still kicking. Oh, I almost ran into that one. He's so much faster than me. No! He's just running it down. Okay, what was that curse? Stamina recovery speed, I think. Dude, a gold helmet. I don't think I lived through floor 5. Unless this chest gives me extraordinary value. I can't walk away from the black hole. My movement speed. Okay, bombs. Good, I love them. Can't get enough. Okay, epic weapons could save me. There's 4 of them. Crappy blast spark. I've never even seen this weapon before. It's S. I hate this one. Oh, this is a lot of cool weapons. Drop soul on kill, I don't care about. Honestly, I'm looking at damage numbers. You do the most. Yeah. So it's simple. Whoa, AoE bog. Do I get HP if I take that? Nope. Whoa, AoE, let's go. Actual damage is crazy. I do have to aim again. I had to aim. No, I had to aim with the deagle. My brain is like blurring together the run we had with the winged bow and this run. Oh, and the quiver! The quiver! The quiver actually works. Let's go. Okay, now the game can't stop me. Maybe if I motivate myself enough, I'll like do better. Like those YouTube videos where it's like, what are they called? Oh, the name escapes me. But they're like motivational. Ew, I can sell it maybe. It's like, oh, you will do. Oh, are they called affirmation? Affirmation videos? Oh, where it's like, you're doing great, and then like there's an audience and they like applaud. It's like, oh, you matter, and then like more people applaud. Maybe if I take a quick affirmation break, I got hit by something. I don't know what it was, but dude, I need the potion, but I also need a key. Give me the key. Okay, these rooms aren't terrible anymore now that we have AoE. There's like a wafer thin slice of damage. Oh, we're at the boss already. That was too fast. I'm not ready, man. Oh, that's a good thing that it went by so fast. Because that means we're doing more damage. Oh, you love giving me damage or magic options. Because you know I'll never take it. Oh. Okay, yeah, damage is decent. Workable. And these curses or enchantments or whatever aren't the worst. They're not great, but they're not terrible. They're fairly easy to see. You know what? I don't hate this guy anymore. Unless he kills me. But so far, he's not really doing much. I think removing his iframes went a long way into me not hating him. Maybe I just stand on the edge. Is that the strat? Is that what I've been missing? No, it's not. Okay. Okay, only a little bit of overwhelm. Being overwhelmed. Only a little bit. Okay, a little more. Just like a lot. Okay, I defy death. I think I die on the next hit. I think I use a bomb to make this faster. I would use another bomb. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's good, and you matter. Imagine that was a lot of people clapping. I don't know why you would need to imagine it, because I'm the one that needs to hear the clapping. I should just pull up a quick... I don't even know what I would search for, honestly. I don't know how I would look that up. Dude, I don't... Oh, rapid fire bow. That sounds nice. That is indeed rapid. I'm not sure what I expected. Honestly, could be better for bosses. Oh, okay. That's embarrassing. The shark, he's gonna kill me. This shark's gonna kill me. He's gonna do it. I can't stop him. Okay, he's dead. Let's reorganize a little bit. Okay. Just curse me. Give me another one. I could use more curses. Man, that damage downgrade is really hurting. Although being able to just stand... Yeah, I'll do that. Stand like at the back of the room and just like unload a bunch of explosions feels pretty nice. Look at all this money. Whoop. What? Oh, he doesn't take it. Okay. I didn't want to sell it anyway. Nice. Does he do it again? Nope. Okay. Repair powder, can't use. Maybe it is worth buying this. I usually don't. Well, we can handle 2, I think. Oh, that's it. Okay. Maybe it's worth it. I don't know. Pixie doesn't seem to have made... Oh! Made a whole lot of progress. There's some consistent two platforms. No 3 platform yet. At least from this like 10-second viewing. Okay, yeah, the rapid fire bow does do more damage. Good to know. Okay. We could get a good trade here. Damage bonus? Yes. Give me ballistics. That could be really good. Oh yeah, now this is damage. Like about 20% more. Maybe. How much? What do you do? Oh, you just do damage. Oh, I'm a sucker for events. Okay, it's just money. I have so much money. Just an absurd amount. I don't think I'm ever gonna spend it all. Honestly, I think give me the accessory. I don't have any bombs! Oh my god. Oh, I mean, I have to throw away the run. Dude, I'm so sad. Maybe I just keep going. Oh, that's so sad. I don't think I can open the door. Yeah, I think I screwed myself. This guy's just chilling in the corner. Yeah, this is a doomed run. I have to kill it. That's so sad. I was doing so well. Look at this. I can just tank this. I had a revive and everything. Oh, so dumb. They can't even kill me fast enough. That's so sad. Okay. Note to self. If you have one bomb, don't use it. Unless you're opening the crystal gate. I can't believe it. No. Well, we can do it. What was that? Floor 6? And that was going to win and get to floor 7? Okay. It's doable. It's so doable, actually. Alright, let's check in on Pixie. Let's see what's happening. You need to stop for now. Okay. Hold on. What did you save as? I should put it on the window somewhere, honestly. 182! Let's go! I mean, oh, no. Genome 1x, restart it. Nope, hold on. Why are you doing that? Why are you in that animation? Oh, because it was paused. Load genome 182. Okay, let's go to genome. Wow! Wait, that's pretty good. Yeah, it gets all the way... It almost... Wait, what? Why did it do something different? Huh? Shouldn't it be deterministic? Huh? Oh, weird. Okay, well there's one of those bugs I was talking about. Okay, well it seems pretty consistent now. I wonder what happened. Strange. Maybe it's a problem with the reset. I don't know. Alright, anyways, thank you for watching. If you made it this far. Pixie made some serious progress, got to the second platform. I would like to think I made progress as well, but maybe not. Alright, see you next time.